Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy. We're gonna draw an Among Us plush. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this little plush right here, and this one is actually kind of fun to draw, so I end up putting in a little bit more shading than usual. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in his hat first. So this one's pretty simple because there's not a lot of details on the body. Alright, and then so for the hat, we're just going to draw one diagonal line, and then from here, we're just going to give it some thickness. Alright, and then we're going to continue with the hat. So this is going to be drawn at an angle. So we'll just flare this out. Close this off, and that's going to give us the shape of the hat. And then now we can draw in the body. Okay, so we're going to start out this side first, right here. Just draw a little bracket coming down halfway first. And then now when we come out here, we're going to go all the way around. So this side's gonna go out, and then just start curving down, and we'll stop right around here. Okay, same space. Once we have this curve, we're gonna draw in the eye area right here. So just come right here, we're gonna draw in just a big bracket. From this bracket right here, just smooth everything out. And I'm going to give it a little border right here. I'm going to shade it in black because there's an outline on this eye area. So let me shade that in real quick. Maybe I'll leave a little highlight on the corner right there. Alright, so that's the eye area. So now let's continue down. And we're actually almost done with this thing. So this one is fairly simple. Okay, so we're going to continue this. Let's go all the way down. Same thing on this side. Now we're going to go in. Just give it two curves. Just leave a little bit of space in the middle. And then right here it's just going to be like an upside down U shape here. And that is it for this super easy to draw Among Us plush. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.